Alright, hello. Welcome to Thursday, November 19th. Today's pretty straightforward. We are just going to be reviewing and taking a Chapter 4. There's actually 2 quizzes in Chapter 4, so this will be the first one. So you can see the review video here. Obviously, if you're attending live class, we can just go over that stuff together. But if you're unable to make class live, here's the video, and then there's the quiz. Also, I have a quick survey about learning during this new type of Google Meets and just this new world. It's mostly for people that have been doing the Google Meets, but if you are able to take the survey, either way, I'd appreciate some feedback. So if that's there for you to fill out, it shouldn't take too long. The only other real announcement I have for you is just remember there's no school tomorrow due to Thanksgiving break. And then also make sure you've turned in the Palindrome program and Monster program from earlier this week. If you need help with those, reach out. I can always make a help video. You can also always email me your code if it's not working, and I can make a video specific to your code. So whatever you need, just please reach out with questions. Be an advocate for yourself. I think that's one of the things that will really help during this distance learning period. All right, that is it. I wish you a very good day, and then also I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. All right, take care. Bye.